where are we?
At a dealership.
What are we doing?
Buying a truck.
Finally about to go home, and we've got the car seat installed in the back, and we are about to say our goodbyes. Is this it?
Yep.
Say your goodbyes.
Thank you for everything you did for us.
See you never, I guess.
See you never again, probably.
So one big thing I like about the new truck is how much more space is between here. It'll be really nice for road trips and for future babies.
Something circa 1973. She's lying on him, she's lying to me. She's bringing back diamond rings, stabbed in the pocket.
Okay, so I cannot do the play yard anymore. It's taking up way too much space in the house, and I feel like no matter how clean our house is, it still looks filthy because of this area. So we are going to go pick up some more of these, but bigger, for Hudson's room. Hudson and Hunter here are being my little helpers. I was just able to take all of his big boy shoes out of there. I put his size 5s in here with his other shoes. He's more of a 4 right now, but that'll do for now. We took swimsuits out of here, and I added his big boy shoes here instead. And then we'll just put swimwear in his dresser. That way I can put what's in the nightstand in that other basket, and that will go up here. And I'm hoping that through all of this I can find spots for all of the clutter in his closet. Okay, so here is our progress. I went ahead and took everything off the nightstand, and I put all of the extra decor and the things that were on the nightstand and in the closet on top of the dresser. And Hunter's still hanging out. I don't know if they're helping or hurting, but as long as we're occupied, that's a good thing. So I went ahead and I took all of our wipes and diaper genie refills, and I put them in that basket over there. And I think I'm gonna hop on Target's website and see if I can order another one of those small baskets and just go ahead and keep his swim stuff right there, and then maybe put his sunglasses and his sunscreen in that, and then open up more space for the shoes that are kind of stuffed together down there at the bottom. We have a well-dressed little man. Well, I've gotten this far and I already want to quit. Okay, so I'm about halfway done. This is actually really easy to put together, but literally, if you can put this together with someone else, it's definitely more of a 2-person job. Here is the finished. That was rude. Here's the finished look. I'm so happy with how this turned out. Do you love it, Dada?
Yeah. Do you love it, boy? Boy, not.
Crazy hair.
Do it. Go. Wow.
Kisses. Oh, it's so sweet.